Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Urmishi World, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove the duplicates in the data file. For this, I have imported Indian startup one CSV file. So I've started with importing the important libraries out here, that is pandas, and I have this is CSV, so I've used read.c_csv to read this file, and I have imported in the data frame called as df. So I just named as df, and using df dot head I've just got the top 5 records out of this file. So it says these are the records. What I saw is in this file there are some duplicates, so I want to remove such duplicates. So before we do so, I just want to get the shape of this data file. So for to get the shape, I simply have to write df dot shape. So this will give you the number of rows and number of columns. So here 1211 are the number of rows and 10 are the number of columns. So now the work that we have to do is I'll take the copy of this data frame. And this is ideally always works best because you can easily compare and you never lose your actual data. Otherwise, when you do or try to do any kind of a data manipulation, you some or other way unknowingly you lose some of the data. So better you keep the record of it. So what I am also going to do here is keeping the record for this. So I'll just simply name this copied data as original df, which is equal to df dot copy is the command that you have to use, and inside the parenthesis I'm just going to put deep is equal to true. And this is how you can copy the whole data frame, the what you have imported the file into another data frame. And in this I'll also name it as rs comma cs, which is equal to the original df dot shape. So the reason behind is the shape will return two values, two records, as in like the number of rows and number of columns. So rs stands for number of rows and cs stands for number of columns. So why I want to compare that, I have copied all of them as similar to what is there in the data frame. So let's just run this cell. Okay, it is done. Now let me check what is there in the rs. Rs gives me 1211, which is similar to the data frame. So uh, we are absolutely it's the way what we want. Cs will give me 10 hopefully. So let's see. Yes, exactly. So it's matching with the number of records. So everything has been copied to the original df. So the important task is starts here. What I have to do is I will use df dot drop underscore duplicates, and this function drop underscore duplicate will remove the duplicates from your data frame. So if you want just an temporary duplicates you want to remove, then keep as it is. It will just reflect what you will run in the cell, but later part you want to do it, then in that case you have to replace in place that as true. Just write in the parenthesis in place is equal to true. That will permanently remove the duplicates. This will give you the permanently remove the duplicates. So this is what it gives. So when you run this, it will permanently remove. Now what I want to, so yeah, let's run this cell. Okay, now it's all removed. Now what I want to do is, if this df dot shape, now whatever we have removed, this is the updated df. So this updated df, so I will write df dot shape double equal to, I will pass the rs comma cs. Rs comma cs is the original df value. Original is 1211 and the 10 columns. So what I want is I want to compare the shape of it. If they, if so this colon will give you that that then kind of a condition. So if this condition true, then print there are no duplicates. This is what it infers to you, right? And else part is, else in case there are difference in this value, that now the updated df and the original df shape is different, Then in that case, what you want is, print has to be in small. What you will want to write is print f, then this infers like slash n, and let's say write the total number of duplicates. Okay, and in such case I will just write in this curly braces that rs df dot shape, as I just want to see the row, because there, if you remove the duplicates, the number of rows gonna reduce, there will be no change in your cs value. So let's see now what exactly the value comes here out here. Let's run the cell. There is a difference. Oh, I missed the double quotes here. Let's run. Okay, so there are 21 such rows which are duplicates and been removed. So now the when you see the df dot shape, it will give me some reduced value. Yeah, so now it's 100 and 1190, 10 columns as it is, but the number of rows has been reduced because 21 rows are shown as duplicates, so it got removed. So this is how you can remove the duplicates, and I have also gave you the condition that you can easily input and get the inference out of it. I hope you like this video, and if you really like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching such video. Thank you. See you on the next one.